Hi, this is Angie. I'm going to use spiritual response therapy, energy clearing. Some people call it SRT for short. And we're going to be clearing around breakups and finding new love today. If you'd like a longer, deeper clearing, feel free to look at my information below and reach out to me. So let's start with breakups. Breakups, divorces, breakups, someone breaking your heart, hurting you, or not doing what you would think that they would do in a relationship, maybe not treating you well, that kind of thing. And then we'll clear around finding a love that really brings to you what you're wanting in your lifetime. So let's clear around the breakups first. Healing is coming in first. Gold healing energy, green healing energy. Let's download some healing. Bring in some light, increase the life force energy to the highest level. Clear blocks to direct healing, raise visible and aura vibration. Increase that knowledge of being worthy for love. Let's see, what are some of the energies being held after the breakup? Feeling unworthy, limiting self, feeling that undeserving, some jealousy possibly of other people in relationships, appeasement within relationships, blocking and hiding the true self within relationships, feeling a lack of trust, I can't really be myself. It has to clear those kinds of energies that were reinforced in past relationships and bring in energies of happiness, loving self, loving yourself, being confident in yourself so you can love others and find others who are going to appreciate and love you. Bring peace, enthusiasm for finding someone new, finding a better relationship that satisfies you more, brings you what you truly want, truly need, increasing that success, and increasing strength along the way. And let's see what to be cleared around the breakup, more things around the breakup. Clear the heart valves, loneliness, suffering, some anxiety. Release all those valves. Clear inhibitors that hold back the soul's growth. And clear any blocked chakras or energy centers. Some people don't believe in chakras. I like to consider like energy centers within our bodies. I can feel like kind of that tightness around this area. I'm asking to release that energy. Open to healing and receiving love, receiving self-love, and receiving love from others. Okay, programs before creation. Infinite levels before thoughts, subconscious odds and ends. Higher level blocks. Programs in the conscious mind of one. Ninth level Supreme Council blocks. Programs in the subconscious mind of I am. Asking to clear. Refining consciousness. Some hidden programs. Clear the conscious, subconscious, DNA, chromosomes, past compartments at all levels. Other higher level beings blocking, no. Okay, final items. Raise the souls and committees to the highest level. Odds and ends, clear the miscellaneous things in the universe. Clear the 18 bodies, 90 minds. Spiritual realm programs. Personalize the soul package. That's like harmonizing the human persona. Spiritual blocks. Let's look more at opening to a new love, opening to what you feel like you deserve. We worked on increasing that energy of feeling deserving of love. Happy with myself. I deserve to have someone come in who treats me well, who's loving, who's giving, who's open to love. The heart is open. Move things from the past, or say for yourself and for those who are coming in, where the past has been a learning experience. It's not something to tarnish future relationships and cause you to hold back or them to hold back. So let's look at allowing that love to come in our archetypes. Being open to love, allowing, being optimistic about love, or that inner child, mentor energy. First, to open, be receptive to the higher guidance. Follow consciousness. Blocks to emotional expression. Also, what's coming to me is to clear for communication and clear for finding those people who are open to a relationship, and clear for them finding you. Spiritual realm programs. Clear the emotional body. Clear the discordant emotional beliefs. Clear the spiritual blocks. Clear the painful things the soul doesn't want to look at. Also, I like to download memories, knowledge into your subconscious for lifetimes, or even in your conscious, if you're aware of that, of lifetimes where you've had happy, loving, supportive relationships. Because right now, after breakup, generally we're going to have some negative energy lingering on, and maybe some skeptic or lack of trust for something positive coming in. So let's download those positive memories of other lifetimes. And also, I would recommend focusing on some relationships where you've had some good relationships, or you've had some things in past relationships that have been good. My camera keeps adjusting the focus for some reason, I see over here. Okay. It's interesting I said that, because memories, I see something on this chart about memories as I'm talking. Okay, there's a vow to abdicate personal power. That's to bring back your power, and maybe have been given away in some of these relationships, so that you feel like you're complete. You feel like yourself again. You're in control of your life, and you can move on to a relationship that's even better. That you may feel like this past relationship was so great, you're missing this person and they were the one, but when you move into the next relationship, it will be good to feel like, oh, okay, now I know why I'm with this new person. Now I know what I've gotten out of life with past relationships, and it's helped me to grow and move towards something that I want that's even better. Okay, let's see what else. Final forgiveness. Okay, clear the plans. Bring in the higher and better plans. Learning is fun. Connect more to that highest part of yourself. Just align, connect, listen. It's asked to open to these higher relationships, more loving, more caring, more supportive. And I'm going to finish for today with this clearing. And before I get on, I like to prep everyone. Some people asked about prep to work. I like to open up the energy before I get on to do these. And after I get off, I do what's called mop to clear everything else up. And as I said, if you're interested in a clearing with me, that's a deeper, longer clearing, please notice my information below. Thank you.